I'm Reggie.
I'm Regina.
I'm Raphael. And I'm Martina.
And we're the Earthquake family.
Are my gangs there?
How do you get school? So children, have you heard about the birds and the bees?
Dad, help! We're having an earthquake! What are we supposed to do?
Don't panic! I'll go shut off the gas valve. But kids, don't remember to drop cover and hold on.
We should also avoid going into other rooms and inside. Oh, God.
We should also avoid open flames. And don't stand near doors, windows, bookcases, or any tall things that can fall down on you. They're dangerous.
It's a good thing we don't live near a coastline, or else there could be a tsunami.
Let's go, kids!
Oh my God!
Great earthquake!
Fine.
We're going to visit your grandparents.
I
have to pull over! We have to avoid all things like bridges, underpasses, and anything that could collapse.
If it's like...
Okay, kids, don't get out of the car until I say so. We're gonna turn on the radio and listen for instructions from emergency officials.
In school, we learned that if you're in the bus, you should stay in your seat and stay in a protected place.
And if you can't find protection, cover your head for falling debris.
Man, it's so hot out
such a
there.
nice day out, kids.
Whoa! Another earthquake! Are you serious?
Stay calm, everyone. We just need to remain outside.
We should go to an open field where there's no trees or buildings.